kindergartners. We're going to do a drawing project today using the symbols of the art alphabet. We've talked about it a little bit before, so this might be a little bit of a review, but how many shapes and lines we use in drawing. It really comes down to just five different things we're using. We start off with a dot. That is one of the art alphabet letters. The next one is a circle. The next one is the straight line. The next one is the curved line. And the next one is kind of a right angle line. So if we use those in different ways, you are using all of the drawing strokes we use in art. So we're going to start off with creating a picture, and again, this will be one you just have fun with, to draw a critter. So I'm going to start with using all my lines. I'm going to start with 2 dots. I'm going to put those up here on my paper. And if you do this, start to think, have a little paper on one side or on the edge of your paper with your art shapes, your art alphabet, and do on another piece of paper your first 2 things. So I'm going to put 2 circles, that's my second alphabet letter, around that. What does that look like? What do you think I might be turning this into, or what you might be turning this into? So think about, what was that curved line doing? So I've got a curved line there. So I might bring a curved line back, might bring a curved line back again, have another curved line. So you kind of start, when you start making something, it's not something real. I'm just having fun. I'm going to put a curved line around here and let it meet. Maybe another curved line, half a curved line. It doesn't matter that you use a whole one or part of one. You can do different things with them. You can start to have fun with what your shapes are going to do, but it all comes back to the art alphabet. So if I'm doing a sharp line, there's my sharp line, my right angle one. So maybe this one I'm going to do again. So maybe I want to do, what were some of the other ones? Maybe the straight line. Maybe I'm going to come down. You can see what I'm doing here. So I am just making up a funny bird. He's got a beak. Doesn't have to have a beak. You're going to decide what you want to do with this. This little straight lines, I might come down, because these are going to be fun to use with your markers. And I might take little straight lines like that. Now maybe I want to use more dots. So maybe I want dots in here. Maybe I want to put part of this coming back up. And maybe I want to turn these into wings coming out here that are folded down. You start to see, you have fun just with using lines. You can think about, maybe I'm going to put more sharp lines up here. As you make different critters, have fun decorating them, doing them. I might put him on a branch down here. So once you get your critter drawn, maybe then I can start adding. But what am I doing with all of these lines? These are all my art alphabet. So I'm going to put some leaves. You can see he's sitting on a tree branch. What am I doing? I'm using some of my straight lines. I'm coming around, maybe this to show that the branch is round. And I can just see what else I want to add to him. So that's going to be up to you to think about what you might want to do. You might want to add more of the circles coming up. What's fun with this is the more you add, the more things you'll have to be able to use your markers or crayons, or if you have paints, you can use paints on this project. So have fun with this. When you do your markers, who knows what you might come up with when you start adding a background. You can see curves, rounds, dots. and things that you can make in your artwork today. Have fun with this project, kindergartners.